Good, actually it's not morning. Good afternoon, guys. I am actually starting my vlog looking semi-presentable because I've done my makeup this morning. It's Saturday. I started my morning with a workout. I always get to the stage where I'm like, I don't think I'm gonna work out this morning, and then Barry's has started a live video, pops up, and bam. Literally haven't done this in so long, where I've put eyeshadow on and my lashes as well. I've got my little freckles, but you can see how long my lashes have got. So I'm gonna make myself a massive brunch, aka a huge stack of pancakes, and then probably some avocado on toast as well. I don't really have any plans this weekend apart from this evening. I think I might do the Bongos Bingos live stream with my friend, just get drunk and play bingo. I'm not really sure how it works, to be honest. And then I'm just gonna do some general tidying. I need to redo these two nails as well, because randomly, like, all my other gel is perfect, but randomly, actually no, this one isn't, the middle one. I'll chat to you a little bit as well, because another reason I wanted to vlog is because I feel so anxious, and it always is like therapy to me to just talk on here as if I'm speaking to someone about how I'm feeling. I'm so hungry, let's go make pancakes. Okay, so I haven't really watched much on Disney Plus. I just need some uplifting, don't have to concentrate things to watch. I think I'm gonna watch the Hannah Montana movie. Another day, another pancake stack. Looking good, baby. So I bought this multi-pack of Kinder Buenos when I was in Tesco's the other day. Pretty much just gonna sit here and make my way through them. I've made my to-do list for the day, which I'm not gonna show you because some of it is top private, but yeah, this is the plan. Oh yeah, also some stuff arrived. This is the new Hello Happy Air Stick Foundation from Benefit. The only thing is, I've just looked at these two shades and they're so pale, so I might have to ask them if they'll send me a darker shade, but nonetheless I will let you know how it is. I do love a stick foundation. And then the next package is from Too Faced. This is their new Peach Perfect Concealer. I flipping love Too Faced so much. I'm just currently in that mindset where I know that sitting down and doing what I'm doing is not helpful to my anxiety, but equally I can't stop. I just keep overthinking so many things, and I know that if I was to go and do some cleaning or take Lola out or whatever, that it would help me, but I don't know why, I just physically can't. I feel guilty because like the things that I'm anxious about aren't necessarily really to do with the whole like coronavirus situation. And I know I could call a friend right now, but I don't want to, you know? It's like, you know, everything that you could do to make yourself feel better, but you don't. You just sit and overthink. I'm gonna finish ordering this stuff on Amazon, and then I'm gonna actually try and do something. £200 on Amazon later. You know, when you just like get a bit carried away with ordering stuff that you've always wanted to order, and you think, oh, you know, coronavirus, I deserve, oop, just nearly tripped. Coronavirus, I deserve to treat myself. Yeah, that. Anyway, just out on a little walk with the pup. And do you know what the good thing is? There's no one really around to watch me film and talk to myself. My anxiety has definitely calmed down. Now I've got at least one of the tasks on my list done. I need to also remember that it's fine to like chill, but like I was saying earlier, sometimes chilling isn't the best for me when I'm in like an anxious headspace. I definitely need to start making more solid plans at the weekend, because I feel like that's what keeps me sane in the week, is like having a structure. Weekends are definitely the time when my being in isolation by myself is like amplified. Look how pretty this plant is. Lola, I want to get you to like stand underneath that and take a photo. Is that weird? Blue sky behind the clouds. I've done the hoovering. Didn't quite get round to doing my nails for this evening, but I have just got ready as if I was getting ready for a night out, and it's put me in such a good mood. I've like done my little night out hairstyle. I've put some jewelry on. I've got a cute little outfit on. Like, this is what I usually just wear for a night out, like a blazer, little crop top, some leather leggings. Although sometimes I can't be bothered, I'm going to do this more often because it actually makes me feel like I'm going out, and I actually feel so good right now. My pizza's in the oven, so that should be ready. And literally, don't know why I just looked as if I've got a watch on. I don't. My bracelet doesn't tell the time. I've got 1 minute before this bingo live stream starts, so let's get things sorted. Bingo! Right, I really don't know what's going on here, but
why the fuck you oh my god, you've got a notepad.
Okay, I really don't know how we're supposed to be playing this. Let's write down my phone number. Oh no, I can't show that on camera. Got my pizza, got my wine.
1 and 5.
Literally want to win a trip to LA, but they've called out like one of my numbers so far. 44. Chloe, have you got any?
Literally none.
I've got 11! Oh my god, I've got 2! Woohoo! Someone must have got it by now. I'm so jealous.
Is this how it is?
I came to dance. Dance, dance, dance. Chloe! Say it, oh, gotta let go. I'm not really sure what's going on here. I'm gonna take my horse through Old Town Road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. Brand new guitar. Just a rave at the moment, really. I wish I had some disco lights.
I'm tripping you out.
Yeah.
Same hair. Like, we went to like schools that were like next to each other, blah blah blah. So yeah, how we know each other.
Weird. Look, now I'm as flexible as you. A dog quiz!
I hate dog quiz.
Chloe, this is my time to shine.
Loves dogs.
Please!
I don't know this one. I recognise him, but I don't know it.
Yeah, Brad Pitt. What's his dog called? So I got 2.5. Oh, mysterious girl, I wanna get close to you. You ready for some yoga, Lola? Good morning, guys. Well, the sun is so bright today. It's beautiful. We have just done a power yoga session. I've never done power yoga before. It was very intense, like very strength based. Anyway, this morning, I literally don't feel hungover at all. Really bizarre. I think it's because I was drinking water as well as wine. So I'm gonna do my makeup today because I felt so much better for doing it yesterday. Sorry about the nipples. Does anyone else else, like repeat a hairstyle once they've done it once and then just wear that for the rest of the week. Gone for a little bit of a yoga on my pancakes this morning. So I've been trying to do some like sorting whilst on the phone, and I've made progress with my wardrobe in the past hour. I've put some hooks up on the back of my door to put like dressing gowns and jumpers and stuff on. I've got so much stuff that needs to go in the wash. And then in here, I'm putting some extra jackets and just like things that I wear regularly up here. Oh, I did the washing up too. Have you ever seen such a full washing basket? In here is pretty much clean. I just want to mop the floor and clean the shower. And then I need to hoover up here. But this room is tidy. The landing's clear. And my bedroom is tidy as can be. Remember my wardrobe? It no longer exists. I'm gonna change my bedding, which is why my bed hasn't really been made, but I've tidied up my little side unit as well. I've put some of those hooks in the in there as well. I'm just holding a broken glass because I smashed that. Oh, also, the lounge is super tidy. Obviously hoovered in here yesterday. I just tidied my office as much as I possibly could. Really doesn't look that tidy. So yeah, I've just got to wash up all of these flipping glasses that I found in my bedroom as well and dispose of that one. Oh yeah, also I did my nails. My anxiety is definitely feeling better today after speaking to my friends about things. I don't know with this weather, whether I should be I should be wearing a jacket or not. Guys, it's 6:30 and it's still 18 degrees. I can't even tell you how much this weather relaxes me and improves my mood. Turns out it's not jacket weather. Probably shouldn't even be wearing a jumper, but I get cold really quickly, so. Hi! Hey, baby. You rolling down the hill? Just sat in my car for no other reason than to check that it still works. Lola probably is like, what the hell is going on? Are we going somewhere? We're not. It just suddenly occurred to me that I hadn't driven it in over a month. Off to water my plants with Felicity, the flamingo watering can. I'm not sure I've shown you out here since I did a little bit of tidying up, but I de-weeded pretty much the whole garden and just generally like tidied it, so this area is definitely looking a lot cleaner. I cleaned up the pond as well. I found out that I have a little frog in there, which is so cute. I kind of tidied up this area, although if anyone has any tips for leaves, these red leaves annoy me so much because I pick them up literally every single day, and obviously they just keep falling down from the tree because it's clearly that season. I've kind of redone a little border around it, but those wooden things are so rotten and horrible. And I don't have any secateurs, so I literally trimmed this bush with some scissors, but it worked out. It needs trimming again though because it grows so fast. I moved my little plants here. So I've got my magnolia, which is green. I don't know what state it was in when I last showed you guys, or if you even care. I'm so happy that I've managed to actually keep it alive. I just water her every day with Felicity. And then we have rhubarb as well, which is getting eaten alive by the ants. I need to harvest this at some point and actually make something. Have you eaten all your dinner already? I love that we have this routine where I'll take her for a walk and then I'll give her dinner and then I'll come and water the plants and then usually make my dinner. Come on, Felicity. My hanging basket has literally grown so much. The only annoying thing about this watering can is you literally have to like tip it all the way because the water comes out. Oh, whoops. The water comes out a really awkward spot. Look how pretty. I had an Amazon delivery today as well. I'm so glad these have come because I've been meaning to order them for so long. I take this vitamin B every single day and iron. I also ordered some vitamin C as well because I only really get that from my orange juice. This is for my skin and I am yet to really see an improvement, but I've only been taking it for a few weeks yet, so I'll let you know on that. But this is just for my general overall health. And also I've ordered, I think it was 2 charger leads. Actually, I think this is the plug. You know, when you think you're gonna have a really productive evening and then your mum calls you and then your friend calls you and before you know it, it's 10 o'clock and you've just made dinner. Yeah, one of those. This is my dinner this evening. These sausages look disgusting, but they're so good. I can't remember what they got in them. Something green, like, and chili, which is really, really, really good. Loads of people keep telling me to watch this Too Hot to Handle, which is essentially like Love Island, but a little bit different. We're gonna see how it is.
Okay guys, so I forgot to end the vlog because I actually vlogged the next day and was going to include that in this, but it would have made it so long. So I'm going to upload that on another day, but I hope you enjoyed this weekend vlog and I will see you all very, very soon. Goodbye.